most loved brand by all the men out here. I think this is one of the very, very famous brands that each and every one of you all know. It is called as Ilyzly. So now, moving forward, ladies and gentlemen, it's time that we bring on the fourth sequence for all of you, and it is by a very, very amazing brand, and it is called as Ilyzly. So, ladies and gentlemen, before briefing about the brand, I think it's time that I make sure all of you all see who and what is being created today, and the man behind that will also be up on the stage right after the sequence. So don't forget, I'm going to have a quick chat with him right after this. So yes, stay tuned for this. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you, Ilyzly. So today we're going to see the old money elegance, streetwear boldness and a designer creativity. Don't forget everyone, we have something really amazing coming up for all of you. Passion, creativity, and relentless hard work. Every product that you saw tonight carries the dedication of a team that lives and breathes passion. Ilyzly is a one-of-a-kind blend of old money influence, streetwear boldness, and designer creativity. I would like to invite on stage the models and also the man behind this amazing brand, Ilyzly. Can we please have Mr. Ilyas onto the stage? Everybody, come on! Ilyzly, please, I would request you to walk along with the models. So, ladies and gentlemen, what makes Ilyzly unique? It's its commitment to building a trust fashion community. So, it's a movement that brings people together through style, culture, and individuality, along with supporting top Indian labels like Snitch, Fugazi, Urban Monkeys, Cesar London, Flower Look, and Shatik. I would request Mr. Ilyas to please come to the stage. Very different name. I know the half name is your name, but the other half is what we all want to know.
Initially it was Ilyzly, then we changed to Ilyzly. We just thought, okay, the brand will represent something cool, so that's the reason. I have no story behind it.
I think that's so transparent of you to say it to all of us. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we have Mr. Ilyas, the founder of Ilyzly, the men brand that we just witnessed something very cool and very, very out of the box when we had the boys walking down with such cool outfits. So what is the thinking behind making the outfits look so unique and also carried everywhere? I think I could just see all the boys carrying it with such comfort. So can I know what is that one thought that you have?
So basically Ilyzly is a Chennai-born brand. We just wanted to emphasize street culture, old money, and designers, creatives. These are my beautiful designers, Shri and Anusha, and these people have helped me with all these things. Yes, we're just trying to build a culture and community in Chennai, and it's just been 3 years. We have grown to 7 stores. If you guys can visit all our 7 stores, it'll be great. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys.
All right, do you want to call them up onto the stage? How about we make all three of you do the ramp together? Yes, come on. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, let's give a big round of applause for a brand that has already got 7 stores in and across Chennai. It's time that we make some noise for them. The reason and the faces behind Ilyzly. Thank you very, very much for being on stage, and we can't wait to see you opening more stores real soon in and across the city and also outside city. Thank you and a big congratulations to you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that was Mr. Ilyas and we just had Ilyzly. Can we have a big round of applause one more time from all of you? I know you guys have been so nice to me, doing everything that I say, but please bear with me for some more time. You guys have to do what I say, just for some more time. Thank you very much.